Welcome, dear students. In this e-lecture, we will discuss the remaining worksheets of Unit 7 articles. Page number 45, exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. First, I enjoyed dash new movie very much. The. Use article the. Second, we went to dash forest near Bhopal, a forest. Number C, Nishu read dash interesting story yesterday, an. Now, page number 46, part D. Prashant is one of dash best students of the class, the. Number E, Rohan gifted his sister dash umbrella on her birthday, an. Number F, my niece has dash puppet, a puppet. Dash puppet dances when she touches it, the. G, the teacher told us that history is dash important subject, an. Number H, dash Nehru Planetarium is dash great source of knowledge. The Nehru Planetarium is a. Number I, last evening I happened to see dash elephant, an elephant. Dash elephant had huge ears, the. Number J, would you like to eat dash apple or dash banana, an apple or a banana? Number K, Vinay has dash uncle who is dash scientist, an uncle who is a scientist. The wedding ceremony of my brother went off nicely, the. Now write it neatly and carefully. Now, exercise 1, page number 46, do it yourself. Tick the correct option. Now, I am going to read the sentences. You have to tick the correct answer. There are two options, only one option is correct. You have to tick the correct option. First, Karan went to dash zoo last weekend. And the options are an A. But the correct answer is a zoo. Next, it was hot, so he took dash umbrella along, an. He purchased dash ticket, a ticket, and went inside dash zoo, the zoo. Dash first animal, the first animal he saw was dash elephant, an. It was huge and was holding dash sugarcane, a sugarcane, in its trunk. In dash next cage, the was dash gorilla, a gorilla, enjoying some bananas to beat dash scorching heat, the. Karan thought of buying dash ice cream, an ice cream. He went to dash ice cream vendor, the, and asked for dash orange candy, an orange candy. He took out dash 10 rupee note, a 10 rupee note from his pocket and paid for dash ice cream, the. He went on to see more animals. He saw dash lion, a lion, dash pair of tigers, a pair of tigers, and even dash giraffe, a giraffe. He enjoyed dash day, the day, thoroughly and reached back home late in dash evening, the evening. Tick or circle all the answers carefully. Now, exercise 2. Read the story and fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. And the story is The Elephant's Teeth. Now I am going to read the story. Listen it carefully and fill in the blanks carefully with articles. Once upon dash time, a time in dash forest, a forest near Allahabad, there lived dash mouse, a mouse. It was hungry and happened to find dash small nut, a. But dash mouse was unable to eat or bite the mouse dash nut as it was too hard. It was too hard to cut into two. Dash mouse. The mouse was sad and prayed to God. Oh God, what plight I am faced with. My teeth are so small that I cannot even have dash food, the food I got. Immediately, God replied back to the mouse. My dear mouse, I made you as I made other animals and I love you. Go and see dash teeth, the teeth of other animals. I will give you whichever kind of teeth you like. So dash mouse, the mouse set out looking at dash teeth, the teeth of many animals, but it did not like any. Finally, it saw dash elephant, the elephant, and was amazed at dash elephant's the elephant's long white tusk. Dash little mouse, the little mouse asked dash elephant, the elephant, whether it liked its long teeth. Dash elephant replied, the elephant replied, my friend, these tusks which you see are just for show. I cannot use them to chew dash food, the food, as you can. Besides, I have to bear dash weight, the weight of dash teeth, the teeth, at all the time. Hearing this, dash mouse, the mouse, thanked God for giving him dash teeth he had, the teeth he had. Now complete this exercise carefully. Today your homework is learn Unit 7 articles. Thank you and have a nice day.